What's going on YouTube? David here, back with another video, and today we'll be replacing my F10's sticky door handles. So a very known issue on the F10s is the door handles becoming sticky. As we see here, these are gooey, they're falling apart, and they don't look good. And today I'll be showing you how to replace the whole door handle, front, passenger, and the back seats. So you will be required to take off the panels of the full door. There's no way to pop out the actual switch without taking out the door panel. So you're gonna need yourself some pry tools. So we're gonna start off first by prying this right here, this wooden trim. We're gonna get underneath here and pop it out slowly. We don't want to break anything. Slowly pop it out, slowly but surely. Put these down inside right here. You don't want to slowly pop it out. You don't want to break nothing. Pop these out. Now, once you get it all popped off, so you will be needing to pry this little metal clip right here. You need a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna take it from underneath and then you're gonna push up and it should come off just like that. It bends out of place. Make sure just not to break it. And when we get down to here, let's put this back in. There's a L hook, so you're gonna wanna, just like that. See, this is the L hook we're talking about right here. Hooks in like that into the door. So you're gonna wanna first remove this clip right here, this metal clip that holds on to right here. This one right here, it holds on to it. You're gonna just remove it with a flathead and then you just slide it out. Then you get to the door handle right here, pry it, work your way slowly. Don't wanna break anything. Go, and you just slide it right off. Then we have a T-screw right here. So what you want to do is get a T30 screw. I put it on my impact gun so it makes things a little faster. So you're going to get in here and just, wouldn't recommend doing it, but I don't have a screwdriver for it. Take it out. One more screw right in here, and once you get that out, you should be good to go. So I'm actually gonna roll down the window so it's a little easier to work on. So now, once we got that window open, we can slowly start pulling the door trim panel right here. You see it unclipping slowly. We're gonna slowly pry it. Go. We got that side. I'm gonna pry this side now. Once you pry it off, as you see here, you can lift it up and remove it just like that. So after looking at it, you actually do not need to remove the door latch. You can do it from here. I put a chair underneath so it holds it. So you need to remove 1, 2, right here, there's one right here, 3, and then there's one right underneath 4. So now we're going to remove the window switch. And it comes right off. There's a switch. Comes off right there. Then we're gonna take our T20 and unscrew these 4 bolts. So I got my T20 on my impact gun. I'm gonna take off this bolt right here. One. Put this right here. 2, 3, and 1 right back here. And we got that one out. So the camera just died. Guys, stay hydrated. We're back now. Let's get back to it. So I'm gonna flip it the other way. Let's go this way, right here. Perfect, okay. So we're gonna grab it from right underneath here. There's this right here, and then we're gonna push up. There we go. Pushed it up. Let's get the door handle out the way. There we go. So if we take a look at it, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So after like 1 minute of turning off the camera, I finally pried it off. This is unbelievable. Sticky, dirty, disgusting, trash. Here's our new one right here. Carbon fiber. These go right underneath. And clips right back into place. Look at that. Brand new. Coming back to the door. We're gonna put it in slowly. So I actually had to readjust it back into place. I had to take out the window switch again. And now it's actually back into the clips. Check this in there. This one. Probably not fully into place again. Let me double check it. Just push it down a little bit. There you go. There we go. So the big one goes here, right here. Both of them right here. The 2 small ones go one right here and then the one right back here. So now if we look at it, now it's perfectly flush. Now we're gonna have to reattach the door thingy because it came out of place. So we take this white piece right here. This white piece, we're gonna clip it right underneath here. So what you wanna do is put this piece right here as 2 sides, put it in there. Then you're gonna wanna push this just like that. Now if we take a look at the door handle, if you pull on it, it opens. Perfect. So now we're gonna put it back into place. Before we do that, actually, we gotta plug in the window switch back into here. So we're gonna wanna plug in the window switch back into place. Just like this, okay. Push it in. There we go. Nice and snug. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it all back into place now. We're gonna match it in with the door clips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna match it in. Make sure you put it right here. So after looking further into it, you need to clip it into here. There's clips right up here too. Once you clip it in, you can just, oops, you can smack it all back into place. Make sure it's all back into place. Then it's just reinstalling it backwards. Putting the T-screw in there, putting a T-screw in there, putting that cover back on, slides right through, putting this trim, Boom. Then we're gonna show you the passenger side, and then it's gonna be the same step through the back doors too. So now everything's back together. We put everything how we did it from the start. We just reversed it. Now let's see if the window controls work. Start it up. Finally, no more stickiness. Let's test if the door works. Door works. Now, perfect. Window opens and closes. Perfect. Now we're gonna do it on the passenger side right over there.
1 hour later.
So once we got the door panel off again, on the right side, passenger side, we have one bolt right over here, and another 1, 2. There's about, I believe, 3 bolts that we had to take out. And once we take those 2 bolts, 2 or 3 bolts out, I'll be right back with you guys. All right, so it's actually a T20 and a T30 screw. So we have one small bolt like this, and we have one small big bolt like this. Once you get all 4 of those screws down, we need to remove the window switch right here, right over here. So you actually just could use a screwdriver and just push up. That's what I did. And then you can pry it through this way. So once you get it out, there is a lever you push right here. 1, 2. It gets out now. Same thing. You got to pry it open. Oh, there you go. Pops right off. This one. So here's our new switch. Here's our new carbon fiber piece. You just put it underneath. Clicks right back into place. Boom. Window switch is complete. So what you want to do is grab a flathead, like right here, and just start prying it up. Pry it up, pry it up. Every corner. Oop. Please wear gloves if you're doing this kind of job and it's really deteriorated, because it's not pleasant at all. I've washed my hands about like 4 times already. It's not fun. Here we go. So we got our new carbon fiber piece right here. Just gonna match it up. Match it up right here. It should click into place. Sometimes you need to readjust it. New carbon fiber piece. And there we go. Now we're gonna reinstall it. Same thing, reverse way. And let's do it. Connect this back again. This connects in like that. And there we go. Perfect. Now we're just gonna set it in. Perfect. Make sure everything clips into place. Once again, once you're clipping it back in, put this one in first and then lift it up, and there's clips right under here, because then the speaker, if you're not gonna remove the speaker, you can do it this way. This is what happens. You need to clip it into the frame. Now we're gonna put it back in here, drill it in there. Perfect. Now you just clip the trim piece back on together. Same thing. Slide it through, phew, boom, put it in, wood trim, and there you go. Same thing for the back passenger side. Left and right, rinse and repeat. Just like this one. No more gunk, no more. Just beautiful carbon fiber. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, how to fix your sticky window switches on your F10. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you guys out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.